Unlock the true power of Notion by learning how to seamlessly link pages, transforming your workspace into a dynamic web of interconnected knowledge. First, let's start with the most basic way: creating an inline link. Simply type the plus sign, followed by page, and select link to page. A search bar will appear. Now, type the name of the page you want to link to. Notion will suggest pages as you type. Once you find the correct page, select it. And just like that, you have a working link to another page right within your text. Clicking this link will take you directly to that page. Another quick way to link is by using the @ symbol. Type @ followed by the page title again. Notion will offer suggestions as you type. Select the correct page. Notice how both methods achieve the same result: a clickable link to another page within your Notion workspace. Choose whichever method feels most intuitive to you. You can also create a brand new page and link it simultaneously. After typing the plus sign or the @ symbol, instead of selecting an existing page, choose the option to create a new page with that title. This creates a brand new, blank page and links it from your current page. This is super handy for brainstorming and quickly expanding on ideas. By mastering page linking, you'll create a more intuitive and interconnected workspace, making it easier to navigate your ideas and information. Start linking today.